piano or keyboard, the first thing you will notice is that we have groups of 2 black keys and groups of 3 black keys. And that pattern repeats itself across the piano, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. So we're going to play the 2 black keys going up the piano, which will be going up this way. We'll be using fingers 2 and 3. So let's go up to the next one, up. And you would have noticed that each time you played, it got higher. So as you go up the piano, it gets higher. Now let's go down. Down will be going the other way. Same fingers, but the opposite way. Okay, now start here and go up the piano using fingers 2, 3 and 4. And go up, just take your time. Up you go. And when you're ready, let's go down. Down. Okay, just try it. So the 2 black keys are 3 white keys called C, D, E. Now everywhere where there are 2 black keys, there will be those 3 notes underneath C, D, E. So here as well, all across. So we're going to be going up the piano playing C, D, E using fingers 1, 2, 3. So let's start from down here. Just go at your own pace. D, E. Go up. C, D, E. Go up. C, D, E. Up. C, D, E. C, D, E. Okay, and now let's, so it says go down, so let's go down. C, D, E. Down. D, E. Down. C, D, E. Down. C, D, E. Down. C, D, E. Okay, now under the 3 black keys, there are 4 keys, which are F, G, A, B. Everywhere where there are 3 black keys, there are 4 keys underneath and they have the same name, F, G, A, B. Try playing those using fingers 1, 2, 3, 4. And then when you're ready, we're going to be playing all of the F, G, A, Bs going up the piano. So F, G, A, B. Look where you're going and then move your hand. F, G, A, B, look ahead, move your hand. F, G, A, B, look ahead. F, G, A, B, and look ahead. F, G, A, B. Okay, now we're going to go down. So this time we're going to go down, B, A, G, F. B, A, G, F. Down the piano. B, A, G, F. Move the 4th finger to B. B, A, G, F. Look down to move your 4th finger here. B, A, G, F. And down you go. B, A, G, F. In this video, we'll be learning how to play the C5 finger scale. The C5 finger scale is a hand position built on steps from C. So we start with our thumb on C and we have 1 finger on each key, like so. We have 1 on C, 2 on D, 3 on E, 4 on F and 5 on G. Let's practice going up the C scale starting from C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now we're going to go down the C scale. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's try it by and say the letters. C, D, E, F, G, and down. G, F, E, D, C. The C 5-finger scale can be played an octave higher as well, so you can move your thumb up to here. C, D, E, F, G, and down. G, F, E, D, C. Okay, and now let's go up to the highest C. C, D, E, F, G, and down. G, F, E, D, C. Okay, we're going to stay on middle C, which is the C that is right in the center. And we're going to play the finger numbers that are written on the page. So let's start with the first line, which says 1, 1, 1. So we play 1, 1, and then it says 2, 2, 2, and then it's 3, 3, 4, 5, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, so this is an exercise and we're going to be using the 5-finger position. So we're going to have our hands like this. Now let's just set up the style. It says a march, so we're going to put the style on a march. 1, 7, 8, US march. The tempo, it has a slow tempo and a fast tempo. So let's start with the slow tempo, which will be 90. So I press tempo, put in the 90 and press play. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. G, F, E, D, C, E, F, G, F, E, D. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, brilliant. Now let's try number 2. 1, same hand position. 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's try the top speed. So press tempo and type in 140. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Okay, second one. 1, 2, ready, play. Size that we have is called Ballad. So we're going to put the style in. This one is a Ballad, which is 1017, and the tempo is 80. So we type in 080. Again, hand position will be the 5-finger scale. There's a repeat sign, so we're going to play it twice. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The Sweet Serenade. So for this one, we're going to type in the style, which is Latin. Latin on my keyboard is grouped 0, 5, 9, and it says 4/0. So we can choose any of these Latin ones, and if you can, 4/0. So we're going to press the tempo, which is 96. Again, we're going to just have our hands in that position, press start,